In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps required to download the Brother Pro Label tool app and connect to the PT-E720BT label printer via Bluetooth. The app can be downloaded from the App Store or Google Play. Hit install on the Brother Pro Label tool app. Then you can open the app directly from the App Store. Next, you want to make sure that the printer is switched on, otherwise the printer will not be discoverable. So, if we take the label printer, just hit the power button here on the side and then wait for the orange light to flash and the solid green light to appear on top of the printer. Whilst that's doing its thing, switch Bluetooth on and you should see the device number appear, ready to connect. Now select it. Scroll across and hit connect here at the bottom of the screen and you should see the printer appear here. Once you've selected it, you're ready to start creating labels. Once you're within the main menu, you can choose from an array of pre-designed label templates. For example, if we go into cable wrap, you can see a number of different examples, depending on the required cable diameter, which you can then edit and customize. So, for example, if we choose this one, you can edit the text, you can change the size of the label, or even reposition and resize the content. From the main screen, you can access templates for a wide range of network and electrical applications, from cable flags and patch panels to faceplates, distribution boards, and all of your safety signage labels. So, wherever you are on site, the Brother Pro Label tool app has got you covered.